Getting started with Juniper Secure Edge. Juniper Secure Edge, managed by Juniper Security Director Cloud, provides full-stack Secure Services Edge or SSE capabilities to protect web, software as a service or SaaS, and on-premises applications, and provides users with consistent and secure access that follows them wherever they go. To get started configuring Juniper Secure Edge for your organization, refer to the Juniper Secure Edge Getting Started guide that can be found within the Juniper Tech Library. Now, here's a brief overview of the steps involved. First, create your Secure Edge tenant. Log into the Juniper Security Director Cloud portal at the address shown. If you do not have a login, you can create an account from the Create an Organizational Account link on the login page. Once your account request is approved, log in using the credentials you chose during the activation process. Next, you will need to configure a service location. A service location, also known as a POP, point of presence, represents a Juniper Secure Edge instance in a cloud location. The service location is the connection, that is, point of access, for both on-premises and roaming users. You configure service locations from the Secure Edge Service Management Service Locations menu option. The next step is to set up device certificates through service administration. Device certificates are needed by both on-premises users and roaming users to enable decryption for HTTPS inspection. They also encrypt proxied sessions between the hosts and the service. You generate or upload the certificates from the Secure Edge Service Administration Certificate Management menu option. A site is a customer location such as a branch or office. Some or all of the internet-bound traffic from customer sites might be forwarded to the Juniper Secure Edge Cloud through GRE or IPsec tunnels from the CPE devices at the site. To create a site, select the Secure Edge Service Management Sites menu option. If you are not connecting any branch offices to the service, you could skip the site creation and proceed to setting up roaming users. This starts by configuring user authentication parameters under the Secure Edge Identity User Authentication menu option, and then distributing a proxy auto-configuration or PAC file to a client's browser via the Secure Edge Service Administration PAC Files menu option. The Security Director Cloud interface only generates the PAC file. You must then distribute them by another method, such as Active Directory Group Policy, manually, or Windows Proxy Auto Discovery, WPAD. Another option is to configure the client browsers to point to a forward proxy server and configure an explicit proxy profile via the Secure Edge Service Administration Explicit Proxy Profiles menu option. Note that proxy settings can be configured at the OS level in addition to the browser level. Next, you can deploy a Secure Edge policy. Secure Edge policies specify actions to take for sets of traffic. By default, the Secure Edge policy rule set with predefined rules is automatically created when a new tenant is created. You deploy the Secure Edge policy from the Secure Edge Security Policies menu option. The last step is verifying your configuration. For on-premises users, verify the tunnel status, IPsec or GRE, of the CPE, and ensure your CPE is directing traffic over the tunnel. For roaming users, ensure the site has installed the certificates and proxy auto configuration or PAC file in the required location on the remote devices, and verify whether the traffic is allowed or blocked based on the PAC file configuration. For more information, check out the following links.